inadequate surface preparation can do to a sealer coat in a couple of months. Ta-da! That's a work of some grout professional. Ta-da! Let's have a look at showerways. Not much left. That's what happens when grout is hand cleaned with a brush instead of proper dirt extraction equipment. Excuse me. And that's how the first step of a restoration after so-called restoration looks like. And that's the chemical stripping. Ta-da! Ta-da! Let's have a look at stage 2. Cleaning the mess. Not the easiest thing to do in a small bathroom, but absolutely necessary. There is no other grout cleaning than that. We're talking here a sealer coat remover. As the name says, it better be off my floor before I start painting it again with any kind of sealer. Otherwise it can remove my brand new sealer, isn't it? That's what sealer removers do. And now the only way to take it out is to rinse the heck out of the floor, and there is no other equipment for that than that. A powerful water blaster with wet vac. That's all it takes. We can see that the original grout was quite actually dark. Now it's wet, so it appears darker. Tomorrow, after it dries, it will be much lighter, but just a shade lighter. I would say it would be light grey. And that's what I will have to use to fix this. Plus I got some sort of surprise with which I will still have to fight, because this is UFO. This is completely unidentified material. Okay, it's some sort of white patch done with God knows what. Grout it isn't. I'll have to dig it out and regrout this bit properly.